Good evening, students. I hope you all are doing well. So, God bless you. Let us discuss English IPA symbols. What is English IPA symbols? That is International Phonetic Alphabet. If 26 alphabets are available in English, so why international phonetic alphabets are required? That creates universality, right? That creates universality. Reason is that we know that it is said that every 15 miles language changes, and when language changes means vocabulary, different kind of vocabulary, right? And say for example, in Rajasthani language, for a young boy it is said that dabar, कोई छोरा बोलता है, कोई लड़का बोलता है. अलग अलग टर्मिनोलॉजी, अलग अलग टर्म्स आर यूज फॉर वन थिंग और वन पर्सन और वन for anything, right? For one thing, number of words are used in different language, and what happened, it creates confusion, and that is why universality for one thing is required, and that is why man, आदमी, right? और भी बहुत सारे नाम हैं आदमी के, लेकिन हर लैंग्वेज में होंगे अपने अपने तरीके के नाम. बट व्हाट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड, दैट्स अ कॉमन नेम, इज़ दैट्स अ होमोसेपियन, राइट? होमोसेपियन इज़ फॉर मैन. सिमिलरली, if we take one flower, that's a gudhal ka fool. So for gudhal ka fool, that's a hibiscus rosa sinensis. That's a botanical name, and once if we talk about hibiscus rosa sinensis, so every student would understand because these are universal name. Similarly, what happened here, we are talking about English language, and what happened that 26 letters are in English, or alphabets are in English, are not suffice to pronunciation, to pronounce another words, another sounds. So 26 letters are not, first of all, are not used for single sound. Means A is not always used for A sound, B is the not always B is used, but some of the words. For example, we use PH for F. Sometimes we use GH for F, enough, in case of enough, right? Similarly, we use city, and spelling is CITY. Here C is pronounced as sir, but if we use C in another case or another word, cute, so here C is pronounced as k. Similarly, Q is also used for k, cute, quarrel, and Q is not used without y. So again combination. Another example, X-ray. So that's a spelling is X is word, but then X, that's a and X, right? So that is, and so many examples we have, and we find that there is no direct, there is no word for ch in English. That's why we use ch, but we use ch for sh also, ch EER, cheer, but CHARALATN, charlatan, chauvinist. Then pleasure, PLEASURE, so S is pronounced as j. And this way if we discuss, it's a very big discussion, because lots of words and then lots of spelling, different spellings. Sometimes some combination is used for one sound for another sound, and it creates confusion whether ch is always pronounced as sh or ch, and what's a word, so many words are there, enough, and gh is f, ph physics, ph is f, and favorite f is f. So what is to be adopted? Because of all these type of problems, international phonetic alphabet is invented or is decided by phoneticians, right? So moving ahead, how many international phonetic alphabets are there? So these are 44. 44 alphabets or 44 symbol. It's a one and the same thing, right? Because one symbol is directly correspondent with one sound, means one symbol is used for only one sound, that is called IPA symbols, right? And here 44 IPA symbols are there. So here we can conclude that in English 44 sounds are used, and that is why 44 IPA symbols are available or are there in English. So this is the possibility that for English 44 sounds are used, and for 44 sounds 44 symbols are there. Yes, but 44 sounds are divided into two categories. Similarly, like letters are divided into two, that's a consonant and vowel. And हिंदी में भी वर्णमाला को विभाजित किया स्वर और व्यंजन. क्यों? Reason is that swar means that's a vowel means open sound. Because why it is open sound? Without obstruction or without hurdle, all these sounds are created, and then there is no lock in our mouth. That is, for example, that is A, E, I, O, U. So when you speak A, E, I, O, U, you don't have to shut your lips, right? And that is called, these all are 5 letters or symbols or words are called alpha, that's a called oral sound, right? Second thing is that without A, E, I, O, U, very a few words can be pronounced. A few words are there in dictionary which do not have vowel. Otherwise everywhere we use vowel, and then one spelling is made, right? For example, window, WINDOW, right? For example, door, DOOR, that's a vowel, right? For example, my name Swati, SWATI, A and I, two vowels are used. For example, Sarita, I and A is used in this name. So many examples are there. Conclusion is that without vowel, no spelling can be framed, right? So that is, very less words are there where we don't use vowel. Rhythm, in case of rhythm, in rhythm no vowel is used. So there are a few words, but otherwise in maximum all the words which are made with the help of vowel, and that's why vowels are also called constructing sound, because they are used for construction, right? As home, as construction, we make buildings and all. So what the construction, that's a cement. We with the words or bricks, we use cement to join. Similarly, we use cement or vowels to join the letters, and then letter with the help of vowel becomes a word. So here are also 44 symbols or 44 sounds are divided into two categories, consonants and vowels. How many consonants are there? 24 consonants are there, and vowels, 20 vowels are there, and 20 and 24 is 44, right? Now consonants are 24, but vowels are again divided into two categories. These are monophthongs and diphthongs. Mono is one. So monophthongs is one symbol or one sound, right? That is called monophthongs. These are 12 monophthongs are there, or 12 single vowels are there. In other words, we can say that there are 12 single vowels. And how many diphthongs are there? These are the 8. And another diphthong is di means two. Combination of two monophthongs are called diphthongs, and we use diphthongs in different words, right? And diphthongs are also known as gliding sounds, and diphthongs or gliding sounds are 8. So here IPA symbols, 44 IPA symbols are divided into two categories. That's a consonants and vowel, 24 consonants and 20 vowels. Vowels again divided into two categories. That's a monophthongs and diphthongs. 12 monophthongs are there and 8 diphthongs are there. Then if we remember how international phonetic alphabets 44 sound can be remembered, so I am explaining you, but let us see that what is this table. That is A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U W X Y Z. Then see the red color. A E I O U are the vowels, right? Rest of the words are consonant. But what does it mean? Blue color. These blue color are negated by the phoneticians. These are not IPA symbols, but black and red are IPA. Black, just go for black. Black are IPA symbol. Why? Because they have one-to-one or direct correspondence with the sound. For example, B is pronounced as B, D is D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, U, V and Z. And these four words are taken out, are cancelled or not accepted as IPA symbols. Why? Because C is pronounced as K and S. Q is pronounced as K. So this Q is not required. Then X is pronounced as EKSX. And Y is pronounced as Y. Y is pronounced as Y, and that is why no direct correspondence with sound, and that is why these four letters are not accepted. Rest of the letters, black letters, are accepted in IPA symbols, right? Okay, how? Let us see. For examples, I told you that 24 consonants are, some consonants are included here because C is cancelled. We have seen that C is cancelled, Q, X, Y. So for ch, for j, new symbols are introduced. We will see later on, right? Now English vowel letters, right? So how many IPA vowel symbols? These are the IPA vowel symbols, and for A there are 5 sounds. What are they? Ah. This and please take care. Then where are 2 dots of words? means in the symbol which has two dots are called longer sound, and rest of the words without two dot are short sounds, right? For example, a is pronounced five types. There are five uh, sounds of a. First one is a, for example, car, right? Then a, that's a cat, right? Then third one, that's a ulta e. You can see that this one is just inverse e, that is ment. So ment, so that's a e wala jo hai, in place of e, that this word is used mund, right? Development, not meant, development. So that's a e wala, just inverse e or ulta e. Then next is a, girl, pearl, hurt, curt. So how these words sounds will be recognized, I am telling you. Then last of a is this opposite v, this inverse v is called, that's a is used in cup, pub, hut. Why? Because how these sounds are recognized, for recognizing all these sounds or symbols, we have to study of organs of speech. So what are organs of speech? So let me tell you in short, organs of speech are those organs which are used for creating or producing sound, right? So what are they? These are two lips, two teeth ridge, upper teeth and lower teeth, then tongue, and tongue is divided into four, that is tip of the tongue, corner is blade of the tongue, middle is middle of the tongue, and back is, that's the back of the tongue. So tongue, for convenience, tongue is divided into four parts. Then another part which takes part in producing sound, which is esophagus, and esophagus and that is called trachea, right? Trachea, food pipe, and that is both two tubes like structure are called esophagus or food pipe and trachea, and that is here, right? And two lungs. These are the organs which participate in creating the sound or producing the sounds, and that is why when we discuss in detail, you will come to know how first is different from last cup, car and cup. So this is the mirror practice I tell you in next slideshow, right? Now moving to E. There is only one sound of E, just that's a ki matra. Set. S-E-T, set. So E is just small, E is accepted, and that E is used for A ki matra. Then I. There are two types of I. One I is simple, choti E ki matra, and dot wala I is longer sound, that's a badi की मात्रा. कि उन्होंने कहा कि, छोटी की मात्रा है ना. और जैसा नहीं, जैसा कि भी छोटी की मात्रा, और जिसकी, तो जिसकी में जो बड़ी की मात्रा है वो ये डबल डॉट है. सिमिलरली ओ एंड ओ, तो ओ की मात्रा, राइट? जैसे कोट एंड कॉट, तो कोट में COAT कोट ओ की मात्रा, और कॉट CAUGHT कॉट लॉन्गर साउंड है क्योंकि ओ को थोड़ी देर तक बोलना पड़ता है, तो दैट्स अ लॉन्गर साउंड. कोट एंड कॉट, राइट? सिमिलरली यू, दैट्स अ पुट, तो छोटा यू, और शूट तो फिर लॉन्गर साउंड. put or shoot, and these are the vowels for A, है ना. So A, E, I, O, U, these are the vowel sound or monophthong, right? Now moving to next. Okay, first let us discuss example. I gave you far, cat, teacher, ये teacher, E वाला the teacher, oh, so that's a teacher, ये CH के बाद वाला E है ना. गर्ल, पर्ल कैसे लिखते हैं मैं अभी आगे स्लाइड में बताऊंगी. देन अप, राइट. नाउ मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज बेड. देन टू आई, शिप और शीप. फिर छोटा ओ, ऑन और डोर. गुड और शूट. स्पेलिंग में मत जाओ. स्पेलिंग वी डोंट हैव टू फोकस ऑन स्पेलिंग, वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन साउंड. सो गुड छोटी की मात्रा एंड शूट बड़ी की मात्रा, राइट. चलिए तो कितने हैं ये पहले काउंट करते हैं. देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 है ना. 5 ए के हुए और 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. तो हमने देखा था कि कितने मोनोफ्थोंग्स हैं. मोनोफ्थोंग्स आर 12, right? So these are the 12 monophthongs. I have to write here. I am going to write, and then the next slide you will come to know. These all are the example of monophthongs, right? Now come to diphthongs. Diphthongs are combination of two monophthongs. For example, I, my means from A to I, my. Cow, from A to U, cow. A and U, two monophthongs we are using, two vowels, ow, cow. फिर wait, e, wait, right? That's repeated. Another example is wait. It's sorry, there's a mistake, repeat actually, but there is a confusion in this. Let me check, then I let you know. Then moving to next is boy, then I, my, that is also repeating. I have to see why it is being repeated here. Yes, yes, I got it, I am telling you that. If we use E, if we use A, so then there is two diphthongs, my and cow. Means A is used with I and A is used in English language. In English words, A is used with U also, right? ऐसे वाले sounds जिसमें आ and E का use होता है, my, hi, try, right? ऐसे words होते हैं. और cow, how, now, ये वाले आ और यू का कॉम्बिनेशन. फिर ई के कॉम्बिनेशन में भी आई यूज़ होता है, ई आई. तो ये वेट जैसा दिख रहा है वैसा नहीं लिखते. ये फोनेटिक ट्रांसक्रिप्शन जब हम करेंगे सीखेंगे, देन आई लेट यू नो. फिर आई, तो वेट इसमें आई बाद में यूज़ हुआ है, ये मैं आपको समझाऊंगी. फिर बॉय, ओ और आई का यूज़. फिर माई, तो ए और आई का यूज़. तो आई का यूज़ 3 जगह होता है. कैसे होता है ये अभी आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा, मैं इसको समझाऊंगी आपको. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू, राइट. नाउ IPA कॉन्सोनेंटल सिम्बल्स कितने हैं? 8 है. आई टोल्ड यू इन द बिगिनिंग दैट सम ऑफ द कॉन्सोनेंट्स हैव बीन एक्सेप्टेड, राइट. all black, red, leave red are what? These are the alphabets. So leave all, इनको पिकअप करके अलग कर दो, right. Now blue are cancel, all blue, these are the cancel sound. But except blue, all green, dark green color, B, D, F, G, H, I, these H, J, all are accepted. But then some of the new consonants, IPS consonantal symbols have been introduced. These are the eight new consonantal symbols are given. Why? Because there is no specific letter for th. क्योंकि हम TH से थ भी लिख देते हैं और TH से द भी लिख देते हैं, फिर कन्फ्यूजन। तो फॉर थ दिस थीटा टाइप ऑफ सिंबल इज गिवन which is used for thick, और ये जो ब्रैकेट में है कैन यू सी दैट इज phonetic transcription. Here TH is used as a th, and in another case TH is used as the, they. And then there was no sound for symbol for or letter for sh, so they have given this string. If you press, if you what we can say that इफ़ यू स्प्रिंग को अगर खींचोगे तो ऐसा एस बनता है, दैट्स अ लॉन्गर एस इज शेल, श, दैट्स अ सिंबल ऑफ श, है ना, तो दैट्स अ शेल. देन इंगा, किंग, सिंग, हंग, तो इसके लिए एंग वाला, एंग का साउंड हिंदी में तो है, इंगा का साउंड इंग्लिश में नहीं है, तो उसके लिए दे हैव गिवन दिस साउंड in which is used for king. आप practice में phonetic transcription if you see, that's a king, right? Then sing, right? string, इसमें सब में thinking इसमें यूज़ होता है. फिर च, च का साउंड we do not have ch in our normal alphabets, so they have given this symbol which is combination, that's a T and sh, but that is used always in set, that's a cheese. This sound is read as or written as ch, cheese, है ना. फिर next is there was no sound for j, no sound for j. तो j के लिए तो कोई साउंड ही नहीं है, उसमें सिंबल ही नहीं है, कोई लेटर ही नहीं है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे हैव इन्वेंटेड दिस साउंड, दैट इज j, judge, June, July. For these sounds, that's a j wala sound. D or somewhat Z, it's a combination always used together, and sound is j. Then next is j, it's not j, that's a single. Television, j jo j hai, this sound is television, right? And then last one is y. I told you that y is already cancelled, but for y, that looks as small j, but it's not small j, that is the sound of last word, last symbol is, that's a y, right? So yes is written this way, that y wala sound is looks like as, that's a j, but it's not j, it's a y ka sound, right? Now accepted IPA consonants. What are the accepted? I am repeating. B for boat, D for dog, F for fog, G for go, H for head, car, love, man, now, P, red, C, T, video, wait and zoo. These all are accepted, right? So that is a little video I have made today. I would like to add something and then make it tomorrow again, but thank you so much. If you have any query,